Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money with spot bot arbitrage trade on BYBIT. So if you don't have a Binance account with BYBIT, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create account with BYBIT. So right here, you will need to come to this tool and come with to this trading bot. And after you press this trading bot, it's going to bring you over here. So right here, I need to tell you a short explanation of spot trading on this platform. Like you are just trading with spots, but you set a range of price you want this bot to be buying low and say high. That's the meaning of arbitrage. So you want to buy high you want to buy low and say high just to make profit. So right here, you won't be creating your own spot trading or bot, or you want to create this second year this year. No, you are not doing any of these three options over here. What you want to do after creating your account, then you come to this section. You want to copy people that already be doing it and making profits. Because you are new to this, you just want to make money. Maybe if you copy people like 1 week and 3 weeks or 1 month, then you understand how these things work. Then you can come over here to create the bot you want, and you can start making money with this when you have the clear understanding of this. I would advise you to copy over here for free. So you don't have to pay money, you just have to copy free. So but it's important to choose someone that is making profit. So that's where these things comes in over here. You just have to select this is the daily ranking, and this the return on investment people have made already on over here on this Bybit and spot trading, bot spot trading over here. This is the 24 hours arbitrage ranking. So this is where you want to copy someone over here, and just this guy over here made 4,207.13% on return on investment in under 24 hours. So right here, this is where you want to copy someone over here and stay over here to make the same return on investment and what the return on investment they also make. So right here, this this guy is have already arbitraged this trader 14 times, and this guy 12 times and 7 times and 24 times. So you can just try to choose anyone you want over here. If you want to trade with this guy that is trading this baby Doge USD trading pair, or you just have to select other trading pair. Since these three guys are trading the same coin, one, two, three, four, five, six. Maybe there is something on this pair you need to trade. With this, you can select one out of this guy. But there is another strategy for you to be able to copy these guys. So if you want to copy someone, you just have to copy anyone at midnight or 12 o'clock UTC time. So you are copying them from 24 hour. Starting from 24 hours. This is the 24 hours arbitrage ranking. So these guys have already made this profit. So you just need to copy them at the right time. The reason why I say this is that these guys have already make maybe this today 24 hours return on investment. You just have to copy them, time this and copy them. And if you want to copy, for example, you want to copy this guy, second guy over here, you press copy, and after press copy, it's going to bring you over here to this page over here, and you'll be able to press the amount of money you want to copy. Let's say, for instance, I want to copy this guy. I'm pressing $100. I don't have it's saying sufficient fund. Yes, I know I don't have money in this account. Then you will be able to press curate right here, and this is the range price this guy is trading this coin, and this is all information you need to know. Right here, the minimum amount you can copy over here is 17.60, let's say $18. That's the minimum amount you'll be able to copy someone over here. If take as for instance you don't have a lot of money, but if you have $18 or $20, you'll be able to copy someone trade on Bybit. After pressing your $20 or $200, you just have to press this create now. So after pressing create, then you'll be able to find your trade somewhere over here. You'll be able to find your running bot trade. You just have to press this, and you just have to press this and you'll see your active trade over here. Since I am not copying anyone, I don't have any active trade. That's what happened, that I can't find any trade over here. And that's just what you need to know about this copy bot trade arbitrage on Bybit, and how to make money with this. Make sure you do your own additional research before you take any step in this video. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Let me know what you think about this video and any other video you want me to talk about on this channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.